Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
I can't tell you what it really is, I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now it's a steel knife in my windpipe. I can't breathe but I still fight, while I can fight. As long as the wrong feels right, it's like I'm in flight. High off of love, drunk from my hate. It's like I'm huffing pain, I love her the more I suffer. I suffocate, right before I'm about to drown. She resuscitates me, she hates me, and I love it. Wait, where you going? I'm leaving you. No, you ain't come back, we're running right back. Here we go again, it's so insane, cause when it's going good, it's going great. I'm Superman with the wind in his back. She's Lois Lane, but when it's bad, it's awful. I feel so ashamed, I snap, who's that dude? I don't even know his name, I laid hands on him. I never stoop so low again, I guess I don't know my own strength.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
You ever love somebody so much you can barely breathe when you're with them? You meet and neither one of you even know it hit them. Got that warm fuzzy feeling, yeah, them chills used to get them. Now you're getting sick of looking at them. You swore you'd never hit them, never do nothing to hurt them. Now you're in each other's face, spewing venom in your words when you spit them. You push, pull each other's hair, scratch, claw, pit them, throw them down, pin them. So lost in the moments when you're in them, it's the phrase that the cold break controls your boat. So they say it best to go your separate ways. Guess that they don't know you cause today, that was yesterday. Yesterday is over, it's a different day. Sound like broken records playing over, but you promised her next time you'll show restraint. You don't get another chance, life is no Nintendo game, but you lied again. Now you get to watch her leave out the window, guess that's why they call it window pane.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Now I know we said things, did things that we didn't mean, and we fall back into the same patterns, same routine, but your temper's just as bad as mine is. You're the same as me, when it comes to love, you're just as blinded. Baby, please come back, it wasn't you, baby, it was me. Maybe our relationship isn't as crazy as it seems. Maybe that's what happens when a tornado meets a volcano. All I know is I love you too much to walk away though. Come inside, pick up your bags off the sidewalk. Don't you hear sincerity in my voice when I talk? Told you this is my fault, look me in the eyeball. Next time I'll aim my fist at the drywall. Next time, there will be no next time. I apologize even though I know it's lies. I'm tired of the games, I just want her back. I know I'm alive, if she ever tries to leave again, I'ma tie her to the bed and set this house on fire. I'm
just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I got something to say, please don't stop me till I'm done. This isn't me being dramatic, God knows this part isn't fun. I didn't drive 2 for hours just to mess with your head. Listen to me closely, this is our last dying breath. Oh, I tried to be someone else for this love, but older so strange. 'Cause I know my mind won't change. Kiss me goodbye. Every room you walked in, effortlessly you'd shine. I was happy just to be there, watching from the sideline. And this room is on fire, but we're dancing real slow. Can't pretend anymore, even my dad knows. Oh, I tried to be someone else for its love, but oh, does it feel so strange? 'Cause I know my mind won't change.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, we about to get it just a little hot and sweaty in this. Ooh,
baby.
Ladies, let's go. Soldiers, let's go. Let me talk to y'all and just, give you a little situation. Listen. You see the get hot every time I come through. When I step up in the spot, make the place sizzle like a summertime cookout. Proud for the best chick, yes, I'm on a lookout. So banging, shorty like a belly dancer with it. Smell good, pretty skin, so gangster with it. No tricks, only diamonds under my sleeve. Give me the number, but make sure you holler before you leave.
Like me. I know you like me. I know you do. I know you do. That's why whenever I come around, she's all over you. I know you want it. I know you want it. It's easy to see. It's easy to see. And in the back of your mind, I know you should be on with me. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Don't you? Don't you? Don't you wish your girlfriend was raw like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Don't you? Don't you? Fight the feeling. Fight the feeling. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. 'Cause if it ain't love, it just ain't enough to leave a happy home. Let's keep it friendly. Let's keep it friendly. You have to play fair. See, I don't care, but I know she ain't gon' want to share. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Like me. Don't you? Don't you, baby? Don't you? Sing. Don't you wish your girlfriend was raw like me? Raw. Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Big fan. Don't you?
with a broad, won't watch it when I come through. It's the God Almighty looking all brand new. A shorty wanna jump in my Aston Van Jewish, looking at me all like she really wanna do it. Try to put it on me till my black and bluish. You wanna play with a player girl and play on? Trip out the Chanel and leave the lingerie on. Watch me and I'ma watch you at the same time, looking like you won't break my back. You're the very reason why I keep a pack of the Magnum, and with the wagon hit you in the back of the Magnum. For the record, don't think it was something you did. Shorty all on me 'cause it's hard to resist the kid. I got an idea that's dope for y'all, as y'all can get cool, so I can hit the boat for y'all.
I know she loves you. I understand. I'd probably be just as crazy about you if you were my old man. Maybe next lifetime, possibly. Until then, old friend, your secret is to hate with me. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me?